Welcome to Chemistry Online Learning. This is Sham Sundar. In previous video, we have discussed important chemical properties, that is base catalyzed reactions. In that we have discussed about aldol condensation and Cannizzaro reaction. Today we are going to discuss some more important reactions of carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones. All these reactions are very important. Let us start our class with a new reaction, that is benzoin condensation. Okay, let us start. Benzoin condensation. By name it is indicating product is formed in this reaction is benzoin. When aromatic aldehydes like benzaldehyde undergo self condensation of two molecules in the presence of cyanide ion and form alpha hydroxy ketone as a product. Aromatic aldehyde like benzaldehyde, two molecules of benzaldehyde undergoes self condensation in presence of cyanide ion or potassium cyanide to form alpha hydroxy ketone. Alpha hydroxy ketone as a product. Okay, it is alpha hydroxy, it is functional group. Now it is alpha carbon. At alpha carbon there is a OH group. Therefore it is alpha hydroxy ketone. Okay, it is also called simple benzoin. It is a benzoin compound. What is statement here? Aromatic aldehydes like benzaldehyde undergo self-condensation in the presence of cyanide ion and produce alpha hydroxy ketone as a product. Alpha hydroxy ketone also known as benzoin. Therefore, reaction is called benzoin condensation. There are two molecules of aldehyde, benzaldehyde, undergo self condensation. Okay, so mechanism is very important. Let us discuss about mechanism. Mechanism. First step, potassium cyanide ionizes and forms cyanide ion. Okay, In second step, this cyanide ion attacks on first molecule to form carbon ion C6H5 C double bond OH benzaldehyde plus Cn minus shifting of electrons towards oxygen, and this negative cyanide ion attacks at carbonyl carbon. Okay, now C6H5 CO minus, here H, here cyanide C triple bond here, it is a cyanide group. In this stage, it is important this cyanide ion strong electron withdrawing group, therefore here hydrogen shifts from, or proton shifts from carbon to oxygen, here to here, proton shift. Proton shift takes place in this step. Now C6H5 COH C triple bond N. After losing proton, carbon gets negative charge. Now it is carbon ion. Formation of carbon ion is very important. This carbon ion resonance stabilized. Electron shifted to here. These two electrons shifted to here. So carbon ion now resonance stabilized. Therefore here proton shift taking place. After formation of carbon ion, in next step, this carbon ion acts as a nucleophile. Then this nucleophile attacks on second molecule of benzaldehyde plus C negative OH, I am writing same, C triple bond N and C6H5. Now pi electron shifting towards oxygen, carbonyl carbon gets positive charge, then carbon ion added to carbonyl carbon, then C6H5 CO minus, I am writing this molecule first, C minus, here H as it is, I am writing this H. Now this carbon bonded with this carbon, means this carbon, C, this carbon now, OH below Cn, right, this Cn, then C6H5. Again here proton shift takes place. Proton shift from one oxygen to other oxygen from year to year. Then C6H5 CHOH, it becomes OH. Then C, now this oxygen gets negative charge after losing of H plus. Here Cn C6H5. Okay. Finally, cyanide ion leaves from the addition product minus Cn minus. Okay. C6H5 CHOH, this carbon, then C, here double bond O, Cn minus eliminated, C6H5. Okay, this is a functional group, here alpha carbon. What is the compound now? It is a benzoene. Okay, this is the mechanism for benzoene condensation. Right. Let us discuss other important reaction, that is Perkins reaction. Perkins reaction. Okay. Perkins reaction. All these named reactions are very important. All these reactions are very important. Okay. What is Perkin reaction? Same aromatic aldehydes on heating with aliphatic anhydrides in presence of sodium salt of same acid form alpha beta unsaturated acids. Okay, what is statement? Aromatic aldehydes on heating, aromatic aldehydes like benzaldehyde on heating with aliphatic anhydrides in presence of sodium salt of same acid. After reaction, aromatic aldehydes can form alpha beta unsaturated acids as a product. These are the product, alpha beta unsaturated acids. Let us take an example and discuss. I am taking benzaldehyde, aromatic aldehyde. well-known compound, benzaldehyde. On heating with anhydride, I am here taking acetic anhydride, CH3CO taken twice O. Acetic anhydride, aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde on heating with aliphatic anhydride. This is anhydride, acetic anhydride in presence of sodium salt of same acid. What is here acid? Acetic anhydride means acetic acid. Okay, sodium salt of acetic acid means sodium acetate, CH3COONA, sodium acetate on heating temperature 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, it is benzaldehyde, acetic anhydride. Okay, what is the product? Alpha beta unsaturated acid. Here C6H5 CH double bond CH It is main functional group COH carboxylic acid adjacent to carbon to functional group alpha, next carbon beta. In between alpha beta carbon there is a double bond, therefore unsaturated. Okay, it is alpha beta unsaturated acid. It is cinnamic acid. When benzaldehyde on reaction with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate on heating will produce cinnamic acid as a product. Okay, then CH3COH, acetic acid. This is converted to acetic acid. Okay, so this is the reaction. Now, mechanism is very important, and also this reaction only gives aromatic aldehydes. Other aldehydes cannot give this reaction. Now let us discuss mechanism of this reaction. It is a multi-step mechanism. First step, formation of carbene ion. Okay, observe one thing from previous videos. In every reaction there is a formation of carbene ion. Okay, formation of carbene ion. Right, in this step, first sodium acetate CH3COONA, sodium acetate ionized to acetate ion and sodium ions. Sodium acetate, it is acetate ion. This acetate ion attacks and removes alpha hydrogen from acid anhydride, CH3COO minus plus anhydride. What is anhydride? Acetic anhydride here, CH2 I am writing for convenience CH3 as a CH2H. CH3 CO O CO CH3 CH3 CO taken twice O. It is acetic anhydride. Now removes proton from acetic anhydride. Acetic acid, acetate ion removes proton from acetic anhydride. Then these two electrons shifted to this carbon. Now carbon ion is formed. CH2, I am writing this molecule CH2 minus, right? These two electrons shifted towards carbon. CH2 minus C double bond O, this O, and O, this O, C double bond O, right? This CO, then CH3 plus CH3 COOH, CH3 COOH, right? Now after formation of carbon ion, this carbon ion attacks at benzaldehyde to produce an intermediate. Here it is a nucleophile, right? Nucleophilic addition to carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde. In second step, this carbon ion nucleophile attacks at carbonyl carbon of benzaldehyde. In second step, carbon ion attacks at carbonyl carbon CH2 minus CO O C double bond O CH3 to the carbon ion. Now pi electron shifted towards oxygen. Carbon ion attacks at carbonyl carbon. Now CO minus, here H, I am writing this H as it is, CH2, this CH2, CO O CO CH3. Okay, it is an intermediate after addition of nucleophile to benzaldehyde. It is an intermediate. In third step, exchange of proton between intermediate and which is formed in first step, that is acetic acid. Proton exchange between intermediate acetic acid which is formed in previous step, proton transfer or exchange from acetic acid to this. Now CH CH proton added to this oxide ion, CH2, C double bond O, OCO, CH3. It is a multi-step reaction. Okay, and acetate ion forms again. This is third step. Here it is hydroxy anhydride. It is hydroxy anhydride. In fourth step, elimination of water from hydroxy anhydride. Elimination of water. I am writing this CH2 for convenient like this. C double bond O, OCO, CH3, right? So here elimination takes place. H plus and OH minus water. Then double bond form between two carbons here, double bond, right? Then CO, O, CO, CH3. Okay. In next step, hydrolysis. When finally it is hydrolyzed. CH double bond CH, C double bond O, O, CO, CH3. On hydrolysis of alpha beta unsaturated anhydride, it is, what is it? Alpha beta unsaturated anhydride. Still it is anhydride, right? On hydrolysis with water, which is eliminated in previous step, same here hydrolysis takes place. Here bond breaks, right? Now H is added to here, OH is added to here. Now final products are CH double bond CH, CO, OH. Our products finally forms. It is alpha beta unsaturated acid, that is cinnamic acid. By this reaction from benzaldehyde we can prepare cinnamic acid. It is also very important reaction. It is a multi-step mechanism involves in this reaction. Okay, when you practice again and again, you will get an idea about the mechanism, right? Let us discuss one more important reaction, that is Neue-Nagel reaction. It is also very important. Neue-Nagel reaction. noiva nagal reaction. Okay, noiva nagal reaction. Right. What is noiva nagal reaction? The condensation, all the condensation reactions, the condensation between carbonyl group and compound containing active methylene group, active methylene group, it is important, active methylene group in the presence of base to form alpha beta unsaturated product is final product. Our final product is now same what we have discussed in Perkin reaction. Here also alpha beta unsaturated compound, but here reactants are different. Condensation between carbonyl compound, right, and compound containing active methylene group, right. What is active methylene group? When a methylene group planked in between two electron withdrawing groups. This is electron withdrawing group. This also electron withdrawing group. When CH2 group planked in between two electron withdrawing group, then this methylene hydrogens now acidic, means easily loses its proton, form carbanion. When base, in the presence of base, this active methylene hydrogens removes as a proton, then methylene carbon gets negative charge, that is carbanion. So active methylene compounds are produce carbanions easily. Therefore, these compounds are having very important role in the organic synthesis. Okay, let us take an example and discuss. Here one more base. Here bases like pyridine bases. In this reaction, bases used as pyridine like pyridine and diethyl amine, that is secondary amine. Secondary amines, pyridine like bases are used in this reaction. Let us take an example and discuss about this reaction. Same benzaldehyde I am taking, CHO, carbonyl compound. It is a carbonyl compound, aldehyde, aromatic aldehyde, plus active methylene compound like this structure. Now, malonic acid. Take malonic acid. CH2 COOH. CO. Look at this. This CH2 group flanked between both CO groups. Therefore, it is active methylene compound. Malonic acid, base, pyridine or secondary amine, diethylamine in ethyl alcohol. When we are using diethylamine, use ethyl alcohol as a solvent, right? So, aldehydes on condensation with active methylene compound like malonic acid or malonic ester in presence of base can form alpha beta unsaturated product. Okay, so what is the product in this case? Okay, CH double bond C COOH COOH. Okay, at same carbon there are two COOH groups. On heating, one of the COOH group loses carbon dioxide. Then final product is now CH double bond CH, here carbon and this H. This CO2 eliminated as carbon dioxide, CH COOH. What we have seen in a previous reaction, that is Perkin reaction, in this reaction we can also prepare cinnamic acid, which is alpha beta unsaturated compound, unsaturated acid, right? So it is a reaction, okay, very important reaction. Benzaldehyde with malonic acid or malonic ester, you can take any malonic ester, right? Any compound, active methylene compound in the presence of base produces alpha beta unsaturated compound, right? So let us discuss about mechanism. Very important in organic chemistry. Mechanisms are very important. First step, what is? Think about this. Formation of carbanion. All these synthesis based on carbanion. Very important. Okay. Formation of carbanion. How can this carbanion can form in this reaction? Reaction between active methylene compound and base. Okay. CH2. I am writing CH2 like this. This CH2. COOH. COOH. On reaction with base like diethylamine, secondary amine it is. Now it abstract proton from malonic acid. This electron shifted towards oxygen. Here it take ethyl alcohol solvent. Now carbon ion is what? CH minus. This converted into CH minus, COOH, COOH. Okay, now it is carbanion. Okay, plus what is this? Secondary amine C2H5. Sorry, C2H5 taken twice NH2. Okay, sorry, C2H5 NH2 primary amine. Okay, C2 right, C2H5 NH2 ethylamine. Okay, in second step it is first step. Second step, it is a nucleophile now. All carbon ions are good nucleophiles. Nucleophilic addition, second step. Nucleophilic addition on carbonyl carbon. Nucleophilic addition on carbonyl carbon. Okay. Now, in this step, benzaldehyde involves C double bond OH plus nucleophile. Sorry, CH minus COOH, COOH, right? Shifting of pi electrons, then carbon ion attacks at carbonyl carbon. C6H5 are right structure, no problem. Right. Ring, benzene ring as it is. Now C here O minus, I am writing H as it is, here O becomes O negative. Then this molecule CH, COOH, COOH, right? On what is this? Addition product. Okay, here it is a O minus, then reacts with diethyl amine. Okay, right here take NH2 plus for convenient. Okay, NH2 plus, here proton accepts these two electrons, NH2, nitrogen gets positive charge. Okay, now protonation, protonation of this compound with base, which is formed in first step. Protonation CHO minus K CH COOH and COOH. Diethyl ammonia air plus this reagent donates proton to oxygen, which is formed in first step. CHOH here CH COOH COOH. Okay, totally it is now addition product. On dehydration, H from here, OH from here, minus water on dehydration of addition product, then CH here double bond form, sorry, H is removed in water, right? H is removed in water. Just simple it is COOH. Here also COOH, right? So this is alpha beta. When it is heated, then it loses carbon dioxide, gives cinnamic acid as a final product. It loses CO2 from here. It is cinnamic acid, alpha beta unsaturated compound. Okay, so here it is. What is this reaction? Knoevenagel reaction. By Knoevenagel reaction and Perkins reaction, you will get cinnamic acid as a product. Okay, in this video till now we have discussed different reactions, benzoin condensation, right, and Perkins reaction, Knoevenagel reaction. So one more reaction, it is also very important reaction. Let us discuss about that. After this, I am ending this video. One more important reaction, allo form reaction. Allo form reaction is also very important. Right? What is allo form? Trialomethane, trialomethane. Simply it can written as CHX3. CHX3 is called allo form. If X is substituted with any halogen atom. Suppose with all the three X atoms substituted or replaced with taken as Cl3, then it is chloroform, right? It is chloroform. If it is iodine CHI3, then iodoform. All these are alloforms. Trihalomethane. Trihalomethanes are alloforms. Trihalomethanes. When these three halogen groups are chlorines, then it is called chloroform. When three halogens are iodines, then it is called iodoform. So iodoform reaction is very important in carbonyl compounds also. Okay. Compounds containing methyl ketones reacts with halogens in the presence of base to produce alloform. Okay. Compounds containing, statement is important, compounds containing methyl ketones react with halogens. Halogens means Cl2, I2 like this. Halogens in the presence of base. Okay, base means like NaOH or KOH, etc. NaOH or KOH. To form or to produce alloform, right? So let us take an example. Let us write equation for this. Methyl ketones or potential methyl ketones or COCH3 methyl ketone. Okay, alkyl group must have hydrogens here, methyl ketone, that's why. Okay, methyl ketones on reaction with halogens in the presence of base NaOH can form RCOONA plus CHX3. It is a product, our product, alloform plus 3H2O plus 3NaX. Here 6NaOH, right? How many? 3, not 6, okay? 3, 4. 3 plus 1, here 4. Okay. What is the product in this reaction? Alloform, CHX3. Okay. Now look at mechanism or take any example. Okay, acetone plus I2 3I2 plus 4NaOH CH3COONA plus CHI3 3H2O plus 3NaX. Here it is our product. What is this? Iodoform. Iodoform. Yellow in color. Iodoform crystals. Okay. Here it is very important. Only methyl ketones. Why only methyl ketones? As we discussed in earlier classes, alpha carbon hydrogens are acidic in nature. Therefore, here hydrogen, presence of hydrogen is very important to react with halogen atoms. Without these hydrogens, here haloform reaction is not possible. Okay, let us discuss mechanism. Mechanism is a very important mechanism. In this, all the hydrogens of methyl group substituted with halogen atoms. Suppose RCOCH3. Okay. First, it reacts with base in first step. As we knew that all these hydrogens are acidic in nature, they lose proton. This protons reacts with OH minus, then carbon ion can form here, CH2 minus plus water. This carbon ion or COCH2 reacts with halogen atom X2, XX. Okay, this X minus removed. X is added to carbon or COCH2 here X plus X minus. Okay, next third step, again CH X here H, again base reacts with the molecule, same water is eliminated or COCH now it carbon gets negative charge, again water molecule. Okay, this carbon ion reacts with second molecule of halogen X2. Same step repeats, second step or CO, now CHX2 plus X minus. In next step, again all the three hydrogens of methyl group substituted with OH minus, same water elimination. Three halogen atoms. Now CH2 minus plus water molecule. Right? In next step, or CO carbon ion attacks on third halogen atom. Finally, all the hydrogens now replaced with halogen atoms. CH3, all these hydrogens now substituted with halogen atoms, X minus, right? So, in last step, all the hydrogens are over. In next step, this CX3, there are no protons to eliminate. Therefore, OH minus base nucleophile attacks at carbonyl carbon now. RCO, sorry, RC, here it is a single bond, there is a shifting of electrons. RCO minus, right, here CX3, now here OH, right. In next step, it loses CH3 minus, again it gives RC double bond O OH plus CX3, now carbon gets negative charge. Okay, proton exchange. In last step, proton exchange takes place. Proton from here to carbon. RCO O minus plus CHX3. It is our final product, alloform. Right? All these multi-step mechanism involved in alloform reaction. So final products are carboxylate ion and alloform. Okay, here RCOO minus with Na, all 3x minus, here 3x minus, 3Na plus in the solution plus 3x minus, it will give 3NaX. Okay, now RCOO minus reacts with Na, there is a ionic forces RCO minus and Na plus. So 3NaX, RCOONA, CHX3 and 3 moles of water molecules, 1, 2, 3 H2O. All these are our products in alloform reaction. Okay, I am closing this video in this stage. In next video, we will discuss oxidation and reduction, distinguishing of aldehydes, ketones. Until then, see you. Okay, thank you, one and all. Thank you, one and all.